It's our time to go to the park and it's actually raining. It's very cloudy outside, but I'm still hopeful that it's going to be at least sunny for most of the day. Probably not even sunny, just no rain, even if it's cloudy. We are looking for the shuttle, so we have got the World of Frozen early access, so you get to get inside the park for 1 hour earlier than everyone else. World of Frozen is usually packed during the normal hours, so we thought we'd pay a little bit extra to access. Whoa! It's actually raining really hard. Okay, this is not a good start, but we have our rain jackets on. We're always prepared for rain, so let's see. Morning. Show me your rain jacket.
Can I close it?
Yes. So we just stepped out of the bus, and the moment we stepped out of the bus, it got worse. We have to wait because we won't be able to walk in that rain.
I love rain. I love rain, Mommy.
Ramza. Okay, so this is the... There's still a lot of lines for early access. So, yeah, we're inside. I don't even know how I look like right now. I'm sweaty and it's raining. So yeah, this is what it looks like for early access. There's still a lot of people, but I think it's just 20% of the usual, like, normal population for during the office hours. Luckily, it's not raining that hard anymore. We bought this umbrella for 1,600 pesos. Okay, we've got 1 hour to enjoy the park for early access. So yeah, trying to be more efficient. Our priority is World of Frozen. Oh, that smells so good. It's the popcorn. Oh, I just saw a bird like stealing a popcorn. Oh, the other birds are fighting for it. Did you see that? So we are finding the World of Frozen, and I see it. I see Arendelle. See that castle, ice castle. Instead of the actual mountains here have fog instead of the ice. I like it. Oh, here's Dumbo. So that's for the early access. You get access to the Cinderella Carousel, Dumbo, World of Frozen. And if you don't get the early access, people fall in line here, and then when it opens, they're like run. With so many people, it's like a stampede. So this one is actually really good. There's no line. Yeah. How much did we pay for early access? Okay, so we paid 200 Hong Kong dollar for early access. So that's extra on top of the park entrance. So I think that's 1,500 pesos. World of Frozen. That's ironic. Summer snow day. Wow, we're here. I'm lugging this stroller around. Oh, it's nice. There's not a lot of people. We're so lucky the rain is not as bad anymore. It's just drizzling. The ride is called Frozen Ever After. It's kind of like a small world ride.
為大家安全着想，你可能會要小心。祝你哋嘅初時平凡之旅愉快。
Lara. So the outdoor rides are closed because of the rain, but they're giving us a fast pass access so that later when it's open, we can use it. So I guess that's fair. Oh, we're gonna ride the honey pot. One day in the 100-acre wood. Oops. The carousel. This is the first time that we are riding the carousel because it's usually full. Like the lines are very long, but because of the early access, yeah, there's no line at all. So I'm gonna ride the horse.
For your safety, hold on tightly and please. 王子公主们，灰姑娘旋转木马就要开始转动了。为了您的安全起见，请各位坐好。
So it is 10:37. We are done with our early access. It's only from 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. So we expect more and more people coming in soon. We gotta make a beeline to the hyperspace station because that's usually the one that we can't ride. But our the kids' grandparents are here, so Kyle and I are able to ride the hyperspace while they are watching the kids. So yay! There is no fast pass, priority pass for Hyperspace Mountain, so we have to prioritize that ride because the ride is usually very long with 45-minute wait time. So there is no line in the Hyperspace Mountain as of now. Luckily, all the indoor rides are open. So the kids are with their grandparents in this Small World ride. Hopefully everything goes through. Did we go to the wrong line? Tama. Okay. This is blowing my mind. It's our turn. Right away. They finally opened the sliding sleighs and look at the line. There is a 50-minute wait time. So luckily they gave us a fast pass.
It feels like riding a piece of sleigh.
Oh, what?
It felt like riding a piece of like very fast.
So they gave us a fast pass, so we're able to ride right away. So yeah, it was super fun, but it's very short ride. Is this real? The sun is out. We just rode the train and it landed us into Main Street, so we kind of get a do-over of our entrance with the sun this time. Still a bit cloudy, but look, the floor is no longer wet.